You have a dog and find walks on a leash difficult. Not necessary. I can help you. You have just adopted a puppy or already have a dog and you want to teach him to walk on a leash. It seems both very simple and very complicated. In fact, you are mainly looking for him not to pull you and for him to follow your changes of direction and not the other way around. Walking is a complex learning process. Your dog must already be relaxed so that he can concentrate and follow your instructions. He should have been able to run and play with conspecifics before. If you want to teach him to walk on a leash when he is surrounded by dogs and wants to beat them, it is almost impossible. Start at home in a familiar environment without distractions. Reward all instructions. The recommendation, which would consist in rewarding all the good behaviors, produces random results. It is better to issue a clear, precise and simple command to reward your dog as soon as he executes it. Warning! For your dogs to understand what you expect from him, there must be less than a second between the behavior he produces and your reward. Reward the behavior even if it's not perfect. If you only reward him when it seems perfect, you may discourage him and lose his attention. There are very effective devices with limited side effects. If you want to quickly fix it, Alti harness or Alti head collars are perfect. They are relatively easy to use and the attachment to the collar by carabiner guarantees safety. You do not risk losing your dog. Shock collars should be avoided. They can cause serious lesions in the cervical region or even intracranial hypertension. The use of electrical or electronic devices should be avoided if you want to guarantee the well-being of your dog. Studies show that their well-being is impaired even after removal of this type of device. Learning is made of repetition and patience. Dogs don't all learn at the same speed. Watch your dog, give him time, and make him succeed. If, despite these tips, you can do it, get closer to a dog trainer who uses rewards to educate dogs.